As a Jonny Blockchain member free or paid, you get instant access to the JB affiliate program, where you can earn commissions over 4 levels. So how do you earn? Every time someone in your team or their team makes a profitable trade with their trading bot, they pay a software service fee to JB. From that fee, you earn a commission up to 40%. These commissions are added to your wallet statement inside your JB account and can be withdrawn to your MetaMask wallet anytime. Now here's where it gets exciting. The average paid member earns around $1,200 per month from their own trading bot. Let's say you invite just 5 direct referrals, and each of them also invites 5 over 4 levels. Here's what your monthly affiliate commissions could look like. Level 1. 5 people. Estimated total, $1,950 per month, all from your network's trading activity. And the best part? You can earn all of this as a free member. So, if you're ready to start your journey to online income, click the link below, join JonnyBlockchain.com for free, and start earning today.
If you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Jonny Blockchain. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register. Going to bring you here, pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes, click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.